everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Ashley with FlexiFuse. Today I'm here with my son Coltin. He's going to show you how easy applique can be with our laser cut kits. Today we're going to make Maddie Hastings' Another Day kit together. Alright, I got our background set up and our layout guide is behind it. What you can do with darker fabrics is you can actually take a white marking pencil and mark where each of the pieces go. Because we've got this light table behind it, we can see where all the pieces go, and I'm going to help Coltin with placing and ironing. Okay, so first, Coltin, what you want to do is your piece number 1 is going to be this color right here. Do you remember how to peel the FlexiFuse off?
Yes.
Don't pick a point, pick a flat part. And we're going to do one quick final press just to make sure all of our pieces have adhered to the background. Now all I have to do is some stitching around the edges, and then I'm going to quilt it as well. With this mini quilt, you get the background fabric, the binding, and all of Maddie's instructions.